I got a surprise for you. We're gonna get a soda out of the vending, or maybe get a soda out of the vending machine. Where's the vent? We're gonna get a soda out of the vending machine. I wonder if they got a vending machine here. And it is a. You have to put it in to figure it out. So if I push this button, $2.25. See? And it's a regular for a regular Coke. You got Fanta and Sprite and Coke Zero, but no button for that. Oh, there it is. That's right there. We're getting a regular. So, ooh, they got a refrigerator. Do these things take? Do these things take fives? But we'll get one more look at the vending machine. So, this is the vending machine. So you got a Coke, see it's about $2.25. You have 25 cents? So it should take the dollar, shouldn't it? There it goes.
Wait a minute, it's going to take 3 of them.
$2 around there, and now this other one. $2 oh. Maybe you should try the other way. I'm not zoomed in when I get this clip. Yeah, it should focus there. I ain't gonna do it. Let's see if he'll take the option. Go.
No, it's right here. Yeah, that's what I want. Thank you.
Well, it won't take it. This is an epic fail. But this won't be an epic fail. But this won't be an epic fail overall. Because watch.
Well, I need a quarter.
Because look, there's the Coke, and I press it. Watch this.
Okay, hold on. I didn't put enough money in it.
Oh.
It's what is it? Okay, hold on. I got to put in another quarter. Hold on, I got a quarter.
Just want to see how the price is. Okay, there. It displays the price there. Just pause if you want to read. There's the price. Try to get the best video. I might stand back and zoom in.
Okay, now try.
Alright. You zoom out, so I'll be professional here. Alright, here we go. Watch, this is the best part of the video. Alright, let's press the button. And we're gonna get it out. If I can get this out. There you have it. An elevator ride with soda out of a vending machine.
I don't know. I'll just take one here.
And that's it.
That's it, goodbye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, and that's it, goodbye. Bye. Bye.